Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create and open a new tab group in the Avast web browser. So let us dive into this. Launch the Avast browser on your desktop computer or laptop. Click into these three dots. And of course, make sure that at least two tabs are open so that you may add these to your tab group. So here to the right, hover your mouse over tab group and select this option, create new tab group. Alternatively, use the shortcut Alt-Shift-P. And then give your new tab group a name, like group 1, for example, right? You may assign a color, then you may create another tab group, move the group to a new window, close the group, ungroup, delete the group, and so on and so forth. So now the group has been created. What you want to do, guys, is right click into the given tab, choose add tab to new group. And then, for example, you may assign or create a group here, right? Group 2, or you may, for example, add tab to group here and select the group there, right? So that's another option how we can do this. And now both tabs are in that group here. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time on our channel.